A Russian FPV drone, guided by a fiber optic cable, approached a Ukrainian T-72M1 tank from the rear. As the drone closed in, the tank turned its turret, not to fire but to shield its vulnerable rear and avoid a direct hit to the back of the turret. It was equipped with screens over the engine compartment and a cope cage on top of the turret for added protection. Despite these defenses, the drone operator targeted the upper engine deck. The strike immobilized the tank, and smoke could be seen rising from within, captured by a second drone observing the scene. Interestingly, there was an extended cage at the back of the turret, only a cover over the section where the first drone made impact. Had the crew not turned the turret backward, the engine might have been better protected, and the tank might have survived that initial hit. A second drone struck the front hull. As a fourth drone approached, the third, also wire-guided, impacted the rear section of the tank. Then the fourth drone hit the turret's rear once again. The fifth drone arrived moments later, scanning for a weak spot. It struck precisely between the gun mantlet and the ERA blocks. That hit proved fatal, setting the entire tank ablaze. A sixth drone then flew overhead, capturing the destruction from above. The tank was completely destroyed near Elizavetovka in the Donetsk region, just after crossing a Dragon's Teeth defensive line. Remarkably, 6 wire-guided drones were launched at a single tank. 6, and only then was it taken out. The final clue that the crew had evacuated? The turret had been turned to the left after the first hit. As the sixth drone approached, the tank gun was pointing forward with hatch opened, meaning the crew was inside at the time of 5 drones hit. That is why drones were sent one after the other.